Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping motorhomes on the market, the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome. This beast blends the rugged charm of a classic American semi-truck with the ultimate in luxury living on wheels. Right off the bat, the iconic Kenworth W900 nose grabs your attention. It's bold, powerful, and unmistakably classic. But the real surprise comes when you step inside. This isn't your average motorhome. It's a rolling luxury suite. We're talking full-sized leather recliners, a spacious kitchen with premiums, appliances, a cozy bedroom, and even a bathroom that feels more like a high-end hotel. Every inch is crafted with attention to detail and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 W900 motorhome is powered by a robust PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. This rig isn't just for show. It hauls, cruises, and climbs like a true long-haul trucker's dream. Plus, with an automatic transmission option and enhanced ride comfort, even long drives feel effortless. What really stands out is how Kenworth balanced utility and luxury. The chassis is built tough, perfect for towing toys or hauling additional gear. At the same time, the interior tech is cutting edge. Touchscreen controls, surround sound, satellite connectivity, and smart climate control are all part of the package. Now, let's talk about what people are saying. Reviewers are loving the build quality, the smooth ride, and the insane amount of space inside. Drivers who've spent years in RVs and semis are calling it the perfect hybrid. Rugged on the outside, refined on the inside. Of course, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap, but if you're looking for a serious upgrade in your RV lifestyle, this could be the one. So, is the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome worth the hype? Absolutely. If you want a motorhome that stands out, performs like a beast, and pampers you like a king, this is it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this monster on your next road trip? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more down-to-earth reviews of the world's most unique vehicles. See you in the next one.